this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Welcome to Elnora, a small village with a big heart, nestled in the rolling prairies of central Alberta. Located approximately 72 kilometers southeast of Red Deer, Elnora offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. The story of Elnora begins in the early 1900s when pioneers like Dan May homesteaded in the area. The village was named after two remarkable women, Nora Edwards and Elnora Hogg, who were among the first settlers. These women were known for their compassion and dedication, often traveling together to care for the sick and serve as midwives. Their legacy of selflessness and community spirit lives on to this day. Elnora has faced its share of challenges over the years. Fires, floods, and droughts have tested the resilience of its residents. One memorable fire left behind a burned-out combine, which still sits in its final resting spot. A quirky reminder of the village's unique stories. Through it all, Elnora has grown into a close-knit community of over 300 people. The Grand Trunk Pacific Railway, built in 1913, connected the village to the wider world and fostered its early development. For history buffs, the Elnora and District Museum offers a glimpse into the village's past with artifacts and stories from early settlers. Elnora's vibrant community spirit shines in events like the annual Elnora Brahma Rama Rodeo, which brings together locals and visitors for a celebration of rural life. Recreational facilities include ball diamonds, walking trails, and a curling rink, providing plenty of opportunities for fun and relaxation. So whether you're drawn by its history, welcoming community, or natural beauty, Elnora is a place that leaves a lasting impression, a hidden gem in Alberta's prairies waiting to be discovered. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video if you did, feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it, and remember, you can find gradient imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.